Okay. Just got wide angle lens here, and we're just now 31 miles from Kitty Hawk.
No, that's not that airport that we stopped.
Okay. And we are 15 minutes away.
Pretty sure it's not.
Okay, I have the airplane controls. And we're descending
nice,
down
well, that's
through.
that looks like a nice airport right there.
Yeah, it really does.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. Very nice.
Yes, I can't see it.
What's the name? Yeah, what was
Kurt.
Now that airport's set up nice where you could land north and, or no, east and.
Kind of makes you wonder how the Wright brothers picked this particular place for doing their flight testing.
Yeah.
Above anything else. I mean, you know, they didn't have an airplane to fly there.
There's planes down there sitting.
Wow. That is something.
Yeah.
We're at 2,000 feet at this time.
So we're 10 minutes from Kitty Hawk.
(1846) is right down, left downwind, runway 22, Boston, simulated engine out.
Airspace alert.
That's all this green stuff here.
Tell you what, you'd have to know where to go if you had a boat down there. That doesn't look too very deep, does it?
No, it doesn't.
There's a few boats out there. I think they're boats. Could we have flotation devices with us?
Well, we don't have to ditch.
Huh?
We don't have to ditch. I mean, there's
Beach.
no. Well, there's at least land here, so you know, yeah, you got the beach and stuff like that. So if we were going out over the water, like you know, flying over a big open area, then
Is anybody on the beach? Can you tell?
Well,
yeah, there's a few folks.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Any bikinis?
Well,
can you tell?
That's why I'm flying over the beach so we can look.
See a lot of umbrellas.
Yeah. Just look down here. It looks like a freaking puzzle.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Yeah, all kinds of people on. Really looks like nice, like look straight ahead here. Still 14 miles away. I'm down 1,500 feet.
You want the AWAS again? See what?
It's on here.
Winter 3008 remarks. Present weather identification not available.
That's helpful.
Kill Devil Hills, First Flight Airport, Wright Brothers National Memorial. Automated weather observation 1314 Zulu weather wind calm visibility missing. Clear below 12,000 temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point 17 altimeter 3008 remarks. Present weather identification not available.
All right.
3008.
Winds are calm, and I don't hear anybody on frequency. It is 122.9, correct?
Yeah, 122.9.
Okay, and so we are on COM 2, and we're 11 miles.
I think I have the runway in sight.
Okay.
I don't know if you see it or not. But right off the nose.
Oh yeah,
See it?
Yep.
Right to the right of the sand, well, the beach there a little. I think that's
Yep.
it.
Could be. Kitty Hawk traffic, Archer 415 Golf Kilo is 10 miles to the north. We're inbound for full stop landing, Kitty Hawk.
Or maybe that's not it that I'm looking
Well,
at.
we're 10 miles out, so, and I think it's kind of an open area up there.
First flight traffic, Waco is 2 Southwest 800, going to fly right downwind for 21, then turn south down the beach, first flight.
Okay, he's going 2-1.
Yeah.
right on, man, almost.
So he's entering for 2-1.
He was downwind, I think he
Okay.
said.
Yeah, first flight traffic, Archer 415 Golf Kilo, 6.5 miles to the north. We're inbound for full stop landing, first flight.
Hey, was that 10.5 or 2.5?
We are 6 miles to the north.
Okay, I'll be looking. I'm going kind of slow. I'll look for you.
Yeah, copy that. Yeah, we're, are you landing 2-1?
Negative. I'm just going over to the beach and then going south.
Oh, copy that. Okay, yeah, so we're just kind of flying south over the beach right now at 1,000 feet. Yeah, so this is my first time at first flight there. Do you have a recommendation with winds calm as to which runway to land on, 3 or 2-1?
Yeah, I just took off on 5 at Manio, and if you wait a second, I'll see if I can see if the flag's doing anything down here for you. Probably going to be 3 though, and it's left traffic 3, right for 2-1.
Okay, copy that. Yeah, we got a ASOS report there saying winds are calm, so I'll take runway 3, left traffic. There you go, take a look at the beach.
The grassy area, is it in that grassy area?
Yeah.
It's,
I think.
Yeah, it looks like 3's the one. I think there's a little bit out northeast for you.
Oh, copy that. Thank you very much. We'll take runway 3. We are now 3.5 miles to the north.
Yeah, we're out here. We're clear.
Boy, that's an interesting.
I got it. If you're going to take a picture.
Well, Brian, I think I'm just going to get pictures of the propeller if I end up.
Ah, that's pretty slick.
Yeah, we have you in sight now.
Oh, there he is. Yep.
Oh, wait, where is it? Where is it? 2.5 miles, 2 miles.
There.
This green area here?
That's what I thought.
It is. Okay.
See how it sits in between the.
Okay.
No, it's not the green area. It's the
okay,
strip.
it's the strip right in between the. Okay,
in between
so
the two
I
pieces
gotcha.
of wood.
Okay,
Yep.
I gotcha. I wasn't even.
Yep.
I was thinking it was further on straight. Okay. So, Kitty Hawk traffic, Archer 415 Golf Kilo is on the downwind for landing runway 3, Kitty Hawk. Get this, fuel pumps on. Ah, see, that kind of threw me off.
Yep.
All
Yeah,
right.
so,
That
yeah.
threw me off too.
Okay. So, I mean, do you want to just take the controls for 1 second here?
Sure. Yep.
Because you got it?
Yep.
Okay. Because I just wanted to take Back here.
Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, look at this. Okay, we're still getting first light traffic. Archer Pole 15 Golf Kilo turning left base for runway 3. First light. And first light, Archer's turning final for runway 3, full stop, first light. Oh man, I wish I had a picture of that, but got some.
Like they just did the runway.
Yeah, that's right. That thing.
Good one.
Nice. That was nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Take that.
So you just had the back taxi on here then?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess the other end would be preferable if should be able to turn around here. I hope that this
Hope nobody's.
GPS or the GoPro ended up.
Yeah, it looks like they just did this runway not too long ago.
First flight, Archer's back taxiing on runway 3. First flight. Oh, we can get some air in here, maybe.
Oh, I can hope.
Okay. So, and I'm going to flip back to the left tank, and we'll use that to fly over to Manteo.
I think they switch things around here because I remember going down there.
On here, if you look, there's just a turnaround.
Yeah, but I thought when I was down here before, the monument was, I think we parked like down that way because I remember the monument being in.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm gonna swing around.
No, they made this there.
Park.
Park. Hey, can you park in the shade?
Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. Well, we can either back it up to there, or I'll just park. I'm just gonna pull around here.
Doesn't matter.
Yep. Yep. Just pull right around here, and then we'll be pull up and park. All right. What do you think of that?
Good.
Excellent.